Amanda Balermino, an assistant professor at the UNLV William F. Harrah College of Hospitality. Please join us at UNLV's Hospitality Hall for the WFCHRIE 2023 conference on February 16th through February 18th, 2023. Our college is located in the heart of the most exciting city on the planet, with a bevy of hospitality and entertainment options. While you're here in Las Vegas, you may want to check out the Downtown Arts District with local arts, breweries, wineries, and restaurants. Again, welcome to the conference. I look forward to learning from you and sharing ideas with you.